Hello guys, in this video I am going to go through this fault code as you can see on the screen here, 1BC115. This fault code obviously brings the traction light and the driver stabilization the minute you turn the car on. It detects it because it knows it kind of sends signal to the gears, in other words, and that's what that is. So that code is linked to the sensor on the gear. And what you have to do, on ours it was saying short circuit, so we track and traced it and it shows that there is no power going to the sensor within the gear itself. So long story short, we traced it and there was a cut within the wire, and you will see it for yourselves in a second in the last video. It's just a case of track and trace really guys in this case. So if you're getting that code, it's to do with that wire on the gear, track it all the way and you'll see it for yourself. Here on the next image is the fault code on the diagnostic machine. So this is what it brought. I mean, luckily for us, we were able to trace it quite instantly because the clutch was changed, and when the clutch was changed, that fault wasn't there before, so we knew that something had happened within that time scale when they've changed the clutch. And here's the video of the wire.